Every day, thousands of small creators quietly walk away from YouTube, not because they're lazy, not because they're bad, but because they're stuck in a phase that no one warns you about, where you give it your all, hit publish, and get 36 views. No comments, no feedback, just silence. But that silence, my friends, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're still early. Every bigger creator has survived this phase, and you can too. So today, I want to talk about why you need to keep posting on YouTube and trust the process. But first, I want to know, what's the lowest number of views you've ever gotten on a video that you are proud of? Drop it in the comments below. Let's show each other we're not alone in this. Mine was a video that I recently posted called How I Overcame Camera Anxiety Fast. Simple techniques. I ended up getting 84 views on that video. I really thought that video was gonna blow up my channel too. YouTube at the start is like planting a seed and check in every day for fruit. You see no results, no real growth, and you start to wonder if it's even going to work. But what you can't see is the roots are forming. On YouTube, those early videos are your root system. They might only get 20 or 50 views, but each one teaches the algorithm who you are. Each one sharpens your skills, and each one makes your channel stronger. It's not wasted effort, it's unforeseen progress. The creators who win on YouTube are the ones who keep showing up when no one's watching. They trust the process even when the numbers say quit. Because what feels like silence in the beginning is just you building your foundation. And if you stay in this game long enough, I promise that seed will break through the surface. I've had videos sit under 100 views for weeks. No traction, no growth, just silence. But then, one takes off. Same channel, same creator, same effort. It breaks through the noise and catches wind. That's not a fluke, guys. That's the compound effect of time, data, and consistency stacking behind the scenes. The algorithm didn't skip me, it was still learning me. And early on, it's testing your content in tiny pockets of the internet, gathering clues about who your videos are really for. That's why if some of your best content doesn't hit right away, it just hasn't found its people yet. So don't stress when you're just getting started. Just keep giving the algorithm more data to work with. Okay, so let's talk about a word that gets thrown around all the time on YouTube, which is consistency. Most new creators hear that and immediately think it means uploading every Tuesday at 3 p.m. sharp. And yes, having a schedule can help, but that's not the kind of consistency that really moves the needle. The truth is, real consistency is about showing up again and again, especially after a video tanks. It's about coming back after disappointment, after 0 views, after feeling like no one's watching. It's consistently working to prove your hooks so people don't click away. It's learning how to keep viewers engaged so they stick around. It's analyzing your content to understand why something didn't work and using that insight to make the next one better. That's the kind of consistency that builds successful creators. Not just showing up, but showing up better every upload. So if you're under 1,000 subscribers and nothing's really popping off yet, that's not failure. That's actually normal. You're not behind, you're not broken, you're just still planting the seeds. You're building your foundation that will eventually start growing roots. And the videos you're creating now, they might not get traction today or even next week, but that doesn't mean they're wasted. Some of them might be the exact videos that start blowing up months from now. But here's the key. That only happens if you're still here when it does. Still posting, still learning, still pushing forward. Success takes time, but it rewards those who stick around long enough to collect it. Here's 4 ways that can help you survive the planting seeds phase. Number 1, let's start with redefining success. This is all about shifting your mindset. Instead of measuring success by views or subscribers, start measuring it by your growth. Are you improving your watch time? Is your storytelling getting better? Are your thumbnails stronger than last month? That's the kind of progress that actually moves your channel forward. It's not about going viral. It's about getting better, one upload at a time. Because in the beginning, that's what matters most. Strategy number 2 is to celebrate the small wins. This is your motivational strategy. Because let's be honest, in the early days, big wins are rare. So you have to create momentum by recognizing the small stuff. The first comment, that's a win. Improved retention on your latest video, that's a win. Uploading 25 videos when most people quit before uploading their 20th, that's a huge win. Celebrating these milestones can keep you energized and creates a positive feedback loop that helps you avoid burnout. So don't wait for 100,000 views to feel proud. Start now. Strategy number 3 is about finding your creator crew. This one's all about connection. Because doing YouTube alone, that's one of the fastest ways to burn out. You need people around you who get it. People who know what it's like to post a video and hear crickets. So leave thoughtful comments on other creators' videos. Join a Discord, DM someone who's on the same journey. When you surround yourself with other creators, you stay motivated longer. You learn faster, and you're reminded that you're not alone in this. Community can be the difference between giving up and growing. This last one is to fall in love with the process. This is what separates the creators who make it from the ones who burn out. Because the truth is, the path to growth isn't fast or flashy. It's showing up when the views are low. It's making your 12th video when the last one barely cracked 50 views. It's tweaking your titles, sharpening your hooks, learning what works and what doesn't. Success on YouTube rarely comes from one lucky video. It comes from falling in love with the craft and getting better one upload at a time. So if you enjoy the process more than the outcome, you'll outlast 90% of the people who quit. Right now, someone out there is waiting for a creator like you. They just haven't found your videos yet. But they will if you keep going. So treat every video like it's building roots. Keep watering your channel, keep showing up, because the moment you stop is usually right before things start to grow. With that being said, I hope I was able to give you a better understanding of how to survive as a small YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.